Naalala nyo ba tong picture na to? Now, let's take yung I'm offended mentality ng Gen Z and gawin natin siyang positive. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this.
This is Pinoy Extreme.
There's a quote I love. It was by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and it ends by saying, "To know that even one life has breathed easier because you have lived, that is to have succeeded." If somebody's breathed easier on this planet because I've lived, then my life was worth it.
Now, here's the thing. If ginamit nung taong nagbubuhat ng barbell yung salitang bakla or bading para i-motivate niya yung sarili niya na makarami or higitan yung sarili niya, isn't that better? I mean, yeah, I would agree if you said na he can use other thing to motivate himself, but sa ngayon or nung panahon na ginagawa niya yun, yun yung effective way of actually motivating him. Hindi ba maganda yon para doon sa taong gawa nung dapat niyang gawin nung ginamit niya kayo as a motivation? Is it insulting? Well, maybe for some. But if ever, I'll just make myself as an example. If gamitin ako, like sabihin nila, isipin mo, si Pinoy Extreme, hinahabol ka, like laki-laki na ipin, so on and so forth, madumi. They'd use that image of me para i-improve yung sarili nila. Would I be hurt doon sa nangyari na yon? Siguro nasa punto na ako ng buhay ko na, you know, words do not get easily through me. Pwede silang mag-bounce back, pero yung mga ganong pang-aasar kasi, hindi ko na siya tinitignan as somewhat hurting. Because alam mo naman sa sarili ko na either hindi totoo or the way they are delivering that kind of words is just meant to discourage me. Now, balik tayo doon sa sinabi ko that someone used my bad image as a motivation for them to be better. Well, I think I would be happy that somehow they found a personal motivator out of my image para lang i-improve yung sarili nila. These are the things that we do so that others may live. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.